What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will look into how you can stay productive as a programmer. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. When it comes to productivity, we have to take three things into account: your time, your attention, and your energy. And here are the few tips on how to manage your time, attention, and energy as a programmer. Number one on the list is have a schedule. As a programmer, you must have a schedule. You should schedule things like when are you going to do deep work, when are you going to go for your lunch break, or when are you going to go exercise, etc. Schedule will push you into a certain routine, and that routine will help you in doing the same repeated task without much effort. For example, you brush your teeth every day. Brushing your teeth is a task, but it does not take that much effort to do it because you have done it long enough and it becomes your routine. Same goes for, let's say, practicing data structures and algorithm or any other programming language. If you do it long enough, it becomes natural to your nature. So you must have a schedule. Here is what my typical working day schedule looks like. Number two on the list is plan tomorrow a night before. Planning ahead of time will save you a ton of time. Planning ahead will reduce stress by eliminating not having to think about what you'll be working on tomorrow. Planning ahead will boost your creativity because your subconscious mind will be aware of all the tasks that you need to perform the next day. So it will keep on thinking about those tasks again and again. And it will also give you possible solutions to those tasks. Now this process might take a bit long, but once you start planning your tomorrow a night before, this process will get better. Number three on the list is plan for deep work. Deep work is a term coined by author Cal Newport, and here is what it means: professional activity performed in a state of distraction-free concentration that pushes your cognitive abilities to their limit. These efforts create new value, improve your skills, and are hard to replicate. Now, in order to do deep work, you have to be very intentional about how and where you spend your time. Checking emails every hour or Slack messages or attending useless meetings will not help you improve as a programmer or become more productive as a programmer. A study by University of California shows that on average it takes about 23 minutes to refocus on a certain task once you are distracted. So once you stop coding to check those Slack messages or email real quick, it will usually take about 23 minutes to focus on that certain task again. So in order to do deep work, you have to set a specific time frame on when you will be performing deep work. And you have to make sure you turn off all the Slack notifications and the email notifications that point of time when you are doing deep work. And you have to make sure there are no interruptions around you. Now, last but not the least is plan for distractions. When you're trying to become more productive as a programmer, you have to plan for distractions. Similarly, how you plan for deep work. Checking your emails and Slack messages is important as well to stay up to date of what's going on in your company. But you have to make a plan of what time of the day you will be responding to the emails or checking the emails and Slack messages. And you have to push yourself to only check emails and Slack messages during that time frame that you have set for yourself. Now, this is pretty much it for this video, but keep in mind, becoming more productive as a programmer is a long journey. So take your time and try different things and see what works for you on your quest to become more productive as a programmer. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, keep coding and learning new things.